Hi everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really easy slimline card for you. This is my Hello Fall slimline card. Isn't that cute? Super simple, really colorful for fall. There's a great big messaging panel there on the inside, and of course it comes with an included envelope. It's a super fast card to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the free SVG Cut File. Here we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my free file library, you can click Get Access. You'll fill out a form and then be emailed the password. But for now, we're going to go to Enter the Library. Go ahead and type the password in and hit Enter. And now you'll be brought to all the free files. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 134. That is the Hello Fall Slimline card. Go ahead and click that hyperlink and download the file onto your computer. Make sure to unzip the file and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can head to Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines in any text. Now that the file's been brought into Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We need to convert some of the score lines, so go ahead and scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Highlight this black box and come up to Operation and change that to Score. Then highlight that group and attach. Now we need to do the same thing for the card base. So go ahead and highlight the score line, change that to Score, highlight the group and attach. And then lastly, we need to change the sentiment right here because we're going to have the Cricut draw the sentiment on. So we need to find that layer, and that's right here. Highlight the text, come up to the Operation menu and change that to Pen. You can change the color if you wish. Then highlight the group and attach. So altogether, when you're all done doing these, you should have the envelope with the score lines, the card base with the score lines, and then the sentiment layer with that changed to a pen layer. Okay? When you're done with that, you can go ahead and click Make It. I'm going to be using On the Mat and Continue. You'll see the different mats for this card. Go ahead and click Continue again. I'm going to be using a variety of medium cardstock for this card, so go ahead and click that. And I'm going to go ahead and get everything all cut out. I will see you when it's all done and time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Alright, now that everything has been cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble our card. The first thing that you need to do is go ahead and layer the different tree trunks to the trees themselves. I do have a layering guide in the download that will help you as far as which tree trunk goes on which tree. You can refer to that within the download. I'm going to go ahead and get these layered together really quick. Alright, now that our trees have been layered together, it's time to go ahead and add them to the sentiment layer. So there's really no particular way to do this. You're just going to layer, you're going to place them in a row all the way across. Try to center them the best that you can. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place 2 of them here in the center. And then I'll go off of that. Alright, there we go. We have our trees all lined up. Now we can go ahead and mat and layer both the front cover panel, like so, and then do the same thing for the messaging panel for the inside of the card. Okay, we can go ahead and set those to the side. I'm going to take our card base, go ahead and fold and burnish along the score line of the card base. And now you're just going to place the front cover panel and the messaging panel where they're supposed to go. The messaging panel obviously goes on the inside of the card. And now the front cover panel goes on the front. There is our Hello Fall Slimline card. That cool graphic front, and then the messaging panel on the inside. I'm going to go ahead and set that to the side, and let's go ahead and make the envelope really quick. So you're going to fold and burnish along the score lines of the envelope. And now add glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Flip that inlay over and place it on top of the cutout on the envelope. And now spin the envelope over and then bring those side flaps in and add your glue along the bottom of those side flaps. And with your thumbs, go ahead and push up on the bottom flap and give that a press to form the envelope. Here we go. And there we have our card and envelope. How easy was this one? You can really dress it up with some pattern paper, some pretty oranges and burgundies. It just screams fall time to me. I hope that you make this one. If you do make it, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We would love to see your creations. We have thousands of friends that love to inspire and motivate each other. There's a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I will see you at the next card making video. Bye.